So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is a video about showing my portfolio, and it has been a while since I last showed my portfolio. It's been a good maybe 3 to 4 weeks, and I had roughly about £9,580 I think it exactly was. Now it's changed. Now I'm over the 10k mark, which is finally a milestone that I've completely smashed, completed, and I'm happy with. A lot has happened. GameStop, AMC, all them hype stocks. Maybe I might have jumped on, maybe I might not have. Who knows? But we'll find out in this video. So I'm gonna go straight into it. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and yeah, let's go. So I'm going to be using Trading 212 first, and then free trade. So I use two portfolios. So obviously I use the Trading 212 portfolio as well as free trade. But we'll go straight to the Trading 212 first. So loading up Trading 212, and a lot has happened. You're going to see a nice big red in a sec. 3, 2, 1. So as you can see at the top of the screen, I've got 7,219 right now, up 222% overall. Long story short, I may have jumped on the AMC bandwagon at quite a high average. Yeah, so long story short, AMC is currently worth $6.83. I'm currently 45% down on that. I bought in at $12.50. Actually, I bought in at $16. However, I averaged down to about $12.50. I thought there could be some sort of hope. I thought it could go back up, so I kept holding, and it just hasn't looked very nice at all. It's just been a complete drop, complete sell-off. I did the stupid thing. I just jumped in. Yeah, I could have dropped out at $19, but I was stupid and greedy. That's my lesson learned. But oh well, is what it is. I hold about 150 shares overall, so I've got it my free trade as well. So yeah, it's a lesson I've learned. But it is what it is. So we're going to ignore AMC. I don't know if I'm going to sell yet. I don't know. I might hold because diamond hands. But we're going to see. I'll see. I don't know what to do yet. So yeah. I then hold the favourite HCMC. Remember guys, I was trying to sell this stock off ages ago because I thought it was useless. I'm happy I did not sell this stock because it's currently up 1,356%. It's my first ever stock that is up 1,000%. I'm currently at £1,633 just from that one stock, because I did buy in at 0.0001 and now it is 0.0017. So who knows, it could still go up. It's being pumped up heavily. A lot of people are talking about the stock. They've got a court case on the 26th of February and they could possibly win against Philip Morris. So if this happens, it's going to be a major increase. Who knows? It could be a massive sell-off. It did reach about 20. It did reach about 20, then it just completely dropped, but there's been a recovery ever since by the dip. Neo, obviously you know guys, I'm a big shareholder of Neo. I'm currently still up over 301%, which is all Gucci and lovely. I'm up 3,600. It has had a bit of a dip this week. It's not been too good, but like we say, we're going to hold it for the long haul, see what happens, because there's no rush. I'm not selling this stock anytime soon. And the other stock I hold is only a miniature. I've only got about £189 worth. Is Tariga Sciences, and they haven't been doing very well the previous week. They've been a bit edgy, but don't forget I did buy in at 5 cents. It does say I did buy in at 13 cents. However, I have been buying in and out, out and in. But yeah, I'm gonna hold for the long haul and see what happens. I might even buy some more if it keeps going lower. So it's a good long-term stock. The CEO is very active on Twitter. He's always putting new things. It's a promising stock to have. So yeah, that is my Trading 212, currently up £7,219, and we go straight to free trade. So with my free trade account, you're going to see Neo, which is beautiful. £1,627 is in my general investment account. Obviously I've got 36 shares of Neo, currently up 307%, exact basically the same as my Trading 212. I then have the AMC, which I regret having, currently down £115 right now, which is not exactly the nicest thing to be looking at, but I have 16.7 shares of them. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that stock. I did sell my Palantir, which I regret selling because it did go up 20%, I think even 30% when I sold them. So yeah, I'm somehow holding Sorrento Therapeutics. I got it as a free share. If you guys want to use free trade, you might even get a free share if you use it. I got a free share of Sorrento Therapeutics, and they're currently up 95% since I got them. So I'm not really complaining. I've got the FTSE 100 as a free share as well. I'm not going to sell that because the FTSE 100 is just a good stock to just hold. But yeah, so that is my general investment account. £1,600 in that. And then we have my stocks and shares ISA. However, got £1,900 in there, so obviously I'm up over 10 grand already. So with Disney, I've got 1,584 current value. I'm holding 12.0 shares. Nothing's changed. I'm still not selling. I'm going to hold them for a while. I'm 46.56% up, means I'm up 500%. £500, which is beautiful. So I'm going to hold them for a long haul. I'm not anytime going to sell them because this stock is just a lovely stock to hold. They're currently at their all-time high right now, so I'm not complaining. And then we have the favourite, AMC. This is where I had quite a lot of shares on. I'm currently down 57.8%, down £446. I've got 65.46 shares. I don't know what to do still. I'm going to just hold because diamond hands, like I've just said, who knows, there could be some sort of upswing. I'm going to probably sell if it hits like $13, just so I can get out of it a little bit of a loss. But who knows, let's see if it even hits $13, because that means it needs a 100% increase. Who knows, let's see if the squeeze still happens. Good old squeeze. But yeah, this is my portfolio. So overall, guys, if you want to have the overall calculation of my portfolio, it's currently sitting at £10,756. So I have reached my milestone, which I'm happy about. I basically say it's thanks to HCMC. If it wasn't for HCMC, I wouldn't have got there that quick. But I have now hit my milestone, which is a beauty. Don't forget, guys, my milestone for the end of the year is 20 to 25k. So I'm kind of halfway there. Can it happen? Who knows? But we will see. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will be coming out soon. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and if you want to use free trade or trading 212, link will be in the description if you want to use it and get your free share. Take care, guys. See ya. Bye.